Hi everyone, I'm back again today to do a new project. It's going to be so amazing. We are going to do polymer clay which look like marble. So if you see, there's few colors together joined and made this butterfly. For example, I'm using a plate by the way because I want to bake it. If you want, you can do it, this one on a canvas, cardboard, wooden, anything that you will be like, you can use and do it. So for example, I'm using a plate because I want to bake it and keep it like a nice bunny. That's why. So I'm going to do it on a plate. You need 2 to 3 colors of polymer clay. It's up to you how many colors you're using, but if you use a lot of colors, in the end it doesn't look nice. So use few colors, like stick with maximum 3 colors, it's enough. So in this one I have pink color and glitter. If you see, I use it and I mix it very well. So if you see, it's pink and glitter. So what I will do, I may roll it. So the shapes, it's up to you, whatever you like. You can do a butterfly, you can do a nice what do you call, a flower, all, anything that is up to you, whatever you like to do. So I have now purple color. So I'm going to do is take a small part of pink color and purple color together, and not too much mix, roll it together like this way. And use the hand and mold it. So mix it very well. So whatever the colors you're using, you have to just put all together and mix it. Make it flat and just keep rolling. So what did I do for the big one? Once I make it flat, I just use a butterfly shape paper cutting and I just keep it to like this way and went over it and cut it. So you can do the same thing. So for the sides, I'm going to use small butterfly, so I'm going to use this one. For starters, you need polymer clay. Again, I will repeat. You can use three different colors of polymer clay. Take small parts together, mix it together, and like this one here, see, I have purple and pink with glitter together. If you see nicely, it's purple, pink and glitter together. So once I mix it together, I will make it flat now and use a cutter. Now because I want small ones, that's why I'm using a cutter and using to cut it like this way. Extra part I will be removing. It's up to you which colors you're going to use. Don't use too much dark color like red, purple, blue all together. Don't use it because it will be in the end looking ugly. That's why. So you will just leave it on the plate in a side. I'm using a plate, but in case if you don't want to use a plate, please go ahead, use a canvas. It's much more nice. I'm going to do is now just small 2 lines. Use the tool, stick together. You can see it. So I have these small nice glitter buttons. I'm going to use these and just decorate it. It look nice, that's why. So I will use pink and purple. Just keep it and press it. Like this way. You can see it's nice, giving a nice start. So in this one I put orange color one in the middle, so it's up to you which colors you want to have. You can use normal buttons also. So I will put another small butterfly. I'll use the same balanced ones together. Again, you need 3 colors together. Mix it, just cut 3 part of 3 different colors. Light colors, not too much dark color. Don't use lot of dark colors together like orange or yellow, red, it's fine. But if you use red, blue and purple, like, it will be not fine. It will be much more ugly, and you know, it's too darker. Your art piece will not come the way you want. Once you make it, you just roll it, make it flat. Not really enough. Get a little bit bigger. So the big butterfly I cut with the paper and then I draw it around and then cut it. For the small ones, of course, I have cutters. If not, you can always use a paper like this way, draw it on and then leave it and then cut it. So remember now the main thing, in case if you want to do the same thing, you can always order from online from my Instagram page, because we are giving as a kit, it will come, so you can always order it. Or you will get 3 different colors of polymer clay, and then you will get nice squeaking to put inside. How to do it, you can always read my Instagram page and then you will find the way to how to do it. All the materials are coming as a toolkit. I will keep this one in the side. So for this one I will use purple color. So this is our polymer clay art. With, if you see it closer, I have few colors together, and I have glitter also on my butterfly because I use glitter color polymer clay butterfly. So I use pink color and little bit purple, and of course the glitter, it was look like little bit gray. So that's I have little bit white color lines, you can see. I hope you guys enjoyed today's project. It's very easy, simple, and make sure if you want, you can always buy from me the full kit. It's coming as a set. So thank you very much for watching me. See you tomorrow with a new project. Thank you.